Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models, and welcome to issue 68 of building Deagostini's R2D2. Right, this time we're again putting aside what we were doing before and starting something different. I'd like to keep us on our toes and keep doing different things. We're starting on the body. It's good, I like it. Although I'd like to, finish off what we're doing and actually get something completed, I like new things, and this is starting to show the actual size of the unit itself, so I'm happy with that. Right, so basically we've got a couple of bits that a screw holds that in place there. It should do, if I can do it. There we go. Oh, sorry about that. Tapping the microphone. There we go. And two more screws hold that onto there. It's quite clever the way they've done the colours to obviously mean you don't have to paint it or anything, although if you do decide you want to, then obviously doing it before you put it all together is the best option. Now make sure I've got that the right way up so this flat side is against the edge. Get that tightened down on there. There we go, looking good. And we have the shoulder piece, which goes in there and doesn't actually screw in place, that just pushes through. And two more bits. Again, panel just goes on the inside there. It's just a decorative side panel. That goes in that way round because obviously it's going to meet up in the middle with something else. And two smaller screws hold that in place. Now these screws actually came with the previous issue. Once again, they still haven't learnt to provide you with what you need when you need it. They give you loads of stuff really early and then change their minds. Right, so there we go. That's this issue done. It's coming together. I like it. It's good. I'm happy with this. It's actually feeling like it's building itself into a nice little droid now. So, quick episode, but thanks for watching. See you in a month for the next issue, 69. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.